look just this easily. Fits into place, and you're set to go. So thanks again for tuning in to Bigfoot Overland, and we're going to try something a little bit differently today. We're going to do a product review. Today the product review is the Dango Design Gripper Mount, and here you see the packaging it comes in. It's $49.99 suggested retail on this item, and it comes in 4 colors: Action Orange, Bomber Blue, Ripper Red, and Stealth Black. Now it does come with a lanyard to help hold on to it and not lose the mount itself, and that lanyard I don't use for anything, so of course I have no idea where that lanyard is at this point. You can see there's a very strong clamp, and I've been using this on a couple of different motorcycle helmets with no issues to this point. So this mount claims to be universal, and for my experience, it has been so far. It suits my needs very well. It has 2-axis rotation for quick and easy camera repositioning. So there's where the GoPro would connect. Push in on that, and you can rotate that camera. Now, this can also be used on a tabletop or something like that. You can position your camera at whatever angle you want. So it's quite universal for what you can do with this. So I've used this mount on 2 different helmets, EXO 18950 Scorpion helmet, and then there's just one J14 Adventure helmet. I've used it for a little over 1,300 miles and haven't had any issues. I've gone down a few times and it has held the camera in place and didn't have any issues with it digging into my chest. Now, I don't wear a neck brace, so I can't speak to the fact of if it catches on someone's neck brace or something like that. But look just this easily. Fits into place, and you're set to go. Get somewhere you want to take it off and walk around and film. Just unclip it and you're set to go. I'm doing this. The profile kind of right there for how much it would stick out. And now I've got the GoPro camera on here, and normally I've got it tilted all the way back, as you see here, because as you're looking in your helmet, you know, that's going to have that camera a bit more straight, but you do have the adjustability of the angle for, you know, depending on what the angle is of the chin bar on your helmet. And there's the camera on here. So again, this mount is not having the camera up in my field of vision. And you can see there a little bit of how far it sticks out. So not too bad at all. So overall, this Dango gripper mount is very easy to use. I've even removed it while riding to check and see if the camera was recording or not, because I always lose track of whether I'm recording or not and how many beeps and all that kind of stuff. So even one-handed while riding, you can do that to take a look and see if the camera is recording. I've also used the ProShot helmet camera mount quite a bit previously before I got this mount, and I was happy with that. But this, to be able to not have anything permanently affixed, you know, that other mount, I had to have some kind of Velcro or something on the helmets all the time and get that placed on there. This is just much easier to switch back and forth between helmets, so I'm really happy with this mount. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.